Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's your boy Mark Bryce, and today we're gonna go ahead and pick up something that's in the front door. Something I've been waiting for, something that I had purchased a while back, and it's finally here. So let's go ahead and open the door and see what it is. Oh, snaps. Well, this one's mine. That's wifey's. All right, what is it? What is it? Oh, nice. It's the dashboard frame cover. Hold on, what is this? Okay, very nice. Okay. Right, sorry there. I just had to get it out of the bag. I needed both hands. So this is it. It's very thin, but again, this is just a cover. Looks nice. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm still debating if I should take out the 3M tape or leave it on, or add more 3M tape. I just feel this is not gonna work properly. And like I've done to all my other videos with material, little items, cosmetics, that if you're going to place something like this onto your vehicle, most of the time use epoxy glue. Don't use the 3M tape because it won't stick. But I'm gonna go ahead and place this onto the dashboard to see if I like it or not. When I do commit, then I'm gonna go ahead and use epoxy glue, knowing that I'm gonna have it there forever. Because once you place epoxy glue onto your material, to the application, that means you're committed to it. Or maybe I should just, I think I'm just gonna use more 3M tape. You see there's space right here going around. Looks nice. Yeah, I'm not gonna epoxy glue this. Just use the 3M tape. All right, let's go ahead and see how that looks. All right, there we go. Let me just place it without scratching anything. Right now, we're just test fitting it. Do I like it? Does it match? It's a little darker than the wrap, I'll tell you that. I do like it because it eliminates that chrome. The only chrome that I do want to see is the chrome from there. That's about it. So now that we went ahead and tested this cover for your dashboard, the frame outline, what I'm gonna do is I decided that I am gonna use the 3M tape, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a heat gun because again, I live in Pennsylvania, it's cold out here. I'm going to use the heat gun and warm up the 3M tape so it can stick, and also a little bit more flexible, because you have to keep in mind, if you are gonna use this, you can't place it upside down. There's a specific way of doing it. One is shorter than the other. So make sure you're doing it right and you're placing it correctly. But I do love it. It looks nice, very nice. And don't forget to use the adhesive promoter that they gave you. I'm just gonna tap this out. Giggity, giggity. Yeah, I'm just gonna tear this up and then clean up the dashboard trim. Look, dirty. This is why you definitely need to clean. Go much better. Just clean it out and make sure it's all clean. Okay. Let's do this. Look at that. Okay, now let's go ahead and warm up the trim. Now remember, once you peel this off, make sure you use the heat gun and keep it warm. Don't get too close to this because this is very thin. You do not want to melt it. You want it flexible. You need to have it warm, not hot. If you see yourself having problems peeling out the red film, go ahead and take tweezers. Luckily, I had Manscaped tweezers in my car, everyone needs one. So that was the easiest way to remove this 3M tape because it's very hard. It's within the wedge and it's hard to put your fingers in there. I took the heat gun and I just went around the 3M tape around the frame. Did that probably for like 30 seconds, made sure every single part was warm. Then I also had to remember which side was up. The bottom side right here, the top side right here, this is the short side. So when you're looking at your frame, the short side is the top, the long side is the bottom. Make sure you know which side is what, because you do not want to heat this up with the 3M tape and then do it incorrectly, because now you may peel off that 3M tape from the frame. So make sure you know where you're placing it. And then take both hands, that's why I had to do it off camera, both hands, and I kept my hand one on each side with my thumbs at the bottom like this, and I was just holding it. I did that for 1 minute, and I applied a lot of pressure, but not too much pressure where I would damage anything. And I kept it there for 60 seconds, and now I'm done. Now keep in mind, there's different colors. I'm sure everyone that you know already has carbon fiber in their Jeep Grand Cherokee. They have them in silver, they have them in black gloss, they have them in red, aluminum steel. It's your preference, what you like. Like, I'm trying to go with a carbon fiber theme, so this is the most convenient for me. Looks very nice. Make sure that you have pressed in for a good minute or so. Well, it looks very nice. So I decided I'm gonna keep this black gloss and this chrome. The only thing I am gonna do is this. I'm gonna carbon fiber this area here, and this chrome is gonna be black gloss, as well as this one right here. And then I may just remove this. I don't like this. I'm just gonna keep it open, take this door out because I have this. And if you don't know what this is the wireless phone charger. Fits perfect, closes, but I just don't like this door. Looks tacky. There you go. And that's how it looks during the daytime. Love it. Now join me on my next video, because on my next video, or soon enough, one of my next videos, I got the paddle shifters. I'm gonna install that, but before I install that, I wanna paint them red. So that'll be my next video. Or one of my next videos. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.